How to prevent and respond to account takeover, ATO. Account takeover is one of the most damaging threats facing organizations today, and in many cases, you won't even know it's happening until the damage is done. Luckily, with the right framework in place, you can stop attackers before they ever get a foothold. We'll show you how to build it. Before we begin, be sure to subscribe to NinjaOne's IT Video Hub and our YouTube channel for more tech content like this. What account takeover is and why it works. Account takeover succeeds because of automated credential stuffing, weak authentication, and overlooked backdoors. Attackers aren't always sophisticated, but they can be persistent, running thousands of login attempts using breached password lists. When one sticks, your user's account becomes their launchpad. How do you take that opportunity away from them? Start by defining your detection signals. How to prevent and respond to account takeover. First, know what normal looks like so you can catch what isn't. Define your baselines by identifying what typical login behavior looks like for each user group. From there, configure alerts for the signals that matter: sudden spikes in failed logins, impossible travel events, logins from unfamiliar devices, unusual password reset activity, after-hours access patterns. Feed these signals into your SIEM so that when real-time behavior deviates from established baselines, your team is alerted quickly. Next, turn your login page into a vault. Mandate phishing-resistant MFA using technologies like Windows Hello for Business or FIDO2 security keys. Layer on conditional access policies through platforms like Microsoft Entra ID, shorten session token lifetimes for sensitive systems, and have your session revocation runbook ready. Many organizations unintentionally leave password reset flows and OAuth integrations vulnerable. So harden your reset endpoints via rate limiting, CAPTCHA, and multi-step verification. Regularly audit your OAuth applications and maintain a register of approved applications and their redirect URIs. Before automated attacks even reach your login pages, stop them at the perimeter. Deploy bot management through your CDN or web application firewall, set behavioral rules by blocking suspicious IP ranges and flagging unusual login velocity, and log all blocked requests from your WAF. When an alert fires, avoid rushing into containment before understanding the scope of the incident. Start by preserving logs and building a timeline. When did the first suspicious event occur? What changed? What tokens were issued? What data was accessed? Then, contain the breach before notifying your users, giving clear instructions to check for unauthorized changes and verify account settings. Lastly, compile your key metrics every month: credential stuffing volume, blocked login attempts, session revocations, mean time to detect and contain. This data serves two purposes. It shows you what's working and where to improve, and it gives clients and auditors objective evidence of your security posture. Overall, account takeover protection isn't just a single tool or policy. It's a layered, documented, and continuously refined framework that detects anomalies early, hardens every access point, and builds the evidence trail that compliance demands. For more information, check out our official blog post on preventing and responding to ATO, linked in the description below.